Ordnance Factory Khamaria Recruitment 2026. Golden opportunity for engineers and science graduates. Post: Tenure List Graduate or Diploma Project Engineer Chemical. Location: Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Total vacancies: 30 posts. UR 13, OBC 8, SC 4, ST 2, EWS 3. Salary per month: first year 36,000, second year 37,080, third year 38,192, fourth year 39,338 plus allowances. Eligibility: BE or B.Tech in Chemical Engineering or B.Sc in Chemistry. Apprenticeship required. Age limit: 18 to 30 years. Relaxation as per rules. Application mode: offline आवेदन by post. Last date: employment news publication से 21 days के अंदर अप्लाई करें. Application fees: no fees. Selection process: academic marks 85%, interview 15%. Important points: contract basis job 1 to 4 years, PF, bonus and allowances applicable, no regular job guarantee. Follow करें Jatinder Jyoti Information Portal. Daily government job updates के लिए.